gotta try these out when you walk
You're welcome, bro. Imagine if there were just speakers like this that just levitated around. Like,
I know.
Let's do a drone.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Have a speaker that flew around at festivals and just flew up to people like this.
You need to chill out. Find the first one on a bad trip and land it like right next to it.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Because you could like sense heart rate and stuff. And
Wow!
This homie's in a K-hole. Let me just give them the good vibes.
Yes.